Hi guys, in this video I am reviewing the GameLoot website and my experience with it. I purchased an AMD Ryzen 5 1400 processor from gameloot.in and I will share my experience with you. The website offers consoles, games, PC components such as graphic cards, motherboards, processors, smartphones, smartwatches and many other things. Let's talk about the processor first. Is this pre-owned processor good to buy or not? It was previously used by someone, maybe a minor or a hardcore gamer, which made me concerned as I have never purchased any used products from this website before. However, they do offer a 7-day warranty and after 15 days of using the AMD Ryzen 5 1400 processor, it is still running well. I had to wait or keep track of its availability in stock before ordering it, but I bought it for INR 3,500, which I think is a good deal for a used processor. The packaging was good and the condition was great. Overall, I would say that it's good to buy a pre-owned processor from the GameLoot website based on my experience with this product. However, electronic components can malfunction, so make sure to check it properly after purchasing it. I am looking forward to buying more products from here and will review them for you if you want. Let me know in the comment section. Talking about the service, I had a good experience with this website. The product came in great condition and is performing really well. This is not a promotional video. If I find any problems with the product or service, I will let you know and make a short video for your convenience. If any of you have made a purchase from this website, please leave a comment and tell me about your experience, which will help other viewers who are considering purchasing pre-owned electronic items. If you liked this video, please give it a thumbs up and thanks for watching.